Next, in exponential, we have another problem that we'll see. Show that exponential iz bar is equal to exponential iz bar, that implies z is nothing but equal to n pi, where n equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. Now this is what it is given. Okay, solution. Now we need to find the value of x and we need to find the value of y, so that we can find the value of z. Z is equal to x plus iy, x value and y value we are going to find out. Okay, first we'll take this exponential iz bar, means e power iz bar. Okay, now this is nothing but e power I bar x plus iy bar. This is e power minus I x minus iy. This is e power minus x, I into minus is plus, but I into I is I square. So you will be getting as I square is nothing but minus 1. So you will get as minus y. Okay. So e power ix minus y. You got as this one. So e power minus ix equal to e power. Now I may write as exponential I z bar value will find out. We'll find out this value. Okay. That is nothing but e power I z bar, that is e power I into x plus iy whole bar, that is e power I into x minus iy, that is e power ix. Okay, I into I is I square is minus 1, this minus is a plus 1. Okay, now we'll equate both of them, both of this. So that implies, first I'll take this e power minus ix minus y, that implies that is equal to e power ix plus y. Okay, this is how we got. Now this implies I may take this one to this side. Okay, if you take this side, it will be e power ix, then you will be getting as minus ix minus y is equal to 1. If you take into the denominator, you will be getting this one as this. Now this is e power minus 2ix minus 2y is nothing but equal to 1. This is how you got e power minus 2ix minus 2y is equal to 1. But that implies z is equal to n pi you have. Okay. Now by this what we can say that I may take in the form of like this. You can understand that. Okay. So if I change to that also, if I take minus, if I take that side also, it will be plus, that will be better. So I may take plus here. Okay, all plus, you may get as plus. If I just take to that side, then that becomes as 1, you will get as 2ix plus 2y is equal to 1. Now this is how we got. Now this one, that is equal to e power 2y, I'll take it out, into e power 2ix. This is e power 2y into, this is 2 into cos x plus or cos 2x. This is cos 2x plus I sin 2x is equal to 1. This is like e power x into e power iy form. So I will multiply. This is e power 2y cos 2x plus e power 2y I into sin 2x is equal to 1. You got the like this. So after that we'll do in the form of like this. So what you got is e power 2y cos 2x plus I into e power 2y sin 2x is equal to 1 plus I into 0. 1 plus I into 0, because there is no imaginary value, so I am writing as I into 0. I will equate. So that implies e power 2y. That implies and implies I will write. That implies and implies. Okay. That implies and implies e power 2y cos 2x is nothing but equal to 1, and 2y e power 2y sin 2x equal to 0, both. This is nothing but 1, this is nothing but 0. So I'll take this. So consider e power 2y sin 2x equal to 0. Okay, now that implies this may not be equal to 0, but this is equal to 0. So sin 2x is equal to 0. Okay, when the sign will be 0? When x is nothing but equal to n pi. Whenever it is, general solution of sine is nothing but n pi. Sin n pi is 0. So therefore, I may write here is 2x is equal to n pi. So that implies x is equal to n pi by 2. I got the value as x is equal to n pi by 2. I'll substitute this value in this. Substituting the value. So now I got the value where n belongs to some z. Okay, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Now e power 2y cos 2 into n pi by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, e power 2y cos this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. You will be getting as n pi is equal to 1. Cos n pi means cos pi is minus 1. Cos 2 pi is nothing but 1. So it depends upon the value of n such that the cos minus becomes as minus 1 plus 1 when n is even and when n is odd and n is even. So I may write this as e power 2y I may write this as minus 1 whole power n equal to 1. Suppose if n is equal to 2m, okay, then what you will have here, n is equal to 2m, you will have that e power 2y is equal to 1. N equal to m, e power 2y is equal to m. If, okay, and that implies if n is equal to 2m, so therefore what is that now? N equal to 2m, then that implies this is 2y is equal to 0 because e power 0. So therefore that is nothing but y is equal to 0. You got as y equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 0 you got, and for all m belongs to z. You got y equal to 0 from here. You got x equal to 0. So what is the value of z? Z is equal to x plus iy. X is nothing but n pi by 2 plus I into 0. Okay, I into 0. So therefore this is n is equal to 2m. So therefore I may substitute n is nothing but 2m here. If I substitute n is equal to 2m here, they will be getting as 2m pi by 2 plus I into 0. So this 2 gets cancelled. You may get z is equal to m pi. So therefore this is for all m belongs to z. So this is how we have got the answer. The solution is nothing but, therefore the solution is z is equal to m pi, where m belongs to integers. So here question is given as z is equal to n pi. You may take n is nothing but 2m. That's all, simply. Then you will be getting a same answer. Okay, same thing, because we have substituted n is equal to 2m here, you got as z is equal to m pi. Okay, so this is how you have to do. So this is the problem that with the help of the exponential function we can solve the problem like this. Thank you.